So looking at this small piece of clay, you might wonder, what is this for? Well, it is for this front panel, because it kind of failed. So I'm going to put it in, and then we'll figure out what I'm going to do for front panel I/O on this server. I'd say that looks decent enough. Okay, now what am I going to do about, I/O for the front panel? Because, I mean, it's a server, but I still want that BAM. So let's see how it looks with the front thing back on, and yeah. And looking at it now, yeah, I think that's pretty fine. I'll give you nothing if you can figure out what that port is. Peace.